if x belongs to capital R and capital P equal to x square by x to the power of 4 minus 2x square plus 4, then P lies in the interval. 4 intervals are given. So what is the question? Find the interval of P means what? Find the range of this function. So as usually, according to the procedure, we let y is equal to x square divided by x to the power of 4 minus 2x square plus 4. Here, in numerator, even degree is there. In denominator also even degree is there. Therefore, definitely it is greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to capital R. Therefore, y means this value, y greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to capital R. Let it be statement number 1. Later, according to procedure, we are taking cross multiplication. Then y is equal to x square means y into x to the power of 4 minus 2x square plus 4, that is equal to x square. So for our convenient, let x square is equal to something t. Here x is belongs to already capital R, real number. Therefore x square is also belongs to real number. So definitely t is also a real number. Remember. So this become y into, this is t square minus 2t plus 4, that is equal to t. So that implies y into t square minus 2y t plus 4y minus t, that is equal to 0. So that implies y into t square, next t minus t comma, so it becomes 2y plus 1 plus 4y. So on simplification or in trying to write the quadratic equation in terms of t, we are getting y into t square minus t into 2y plus 1 plus 4y equal to 0. So clearly it is a quadratic equation in terms of t. Okay, here t is belongs to a real number. T is belongs to a real number. Actually, the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. X is what? X is a root or solution of the quadratic equation. Whenever x means roots are real, then delta discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. So therefore, compare with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is ax square, just like this is bx plus c, that is equal to 0. So therefore, since t that is belongs to capital R, we are having greater than delta greater than or equal to 0. Delta means what? B square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. So that implies b square. B is what? Minus of 2y plus 1 means 2y plus 1 whole square. So we need that to take the minus because it is whole square. B square. Once again, b equal to minus of 2y plus 1. B square means 2y plus 1 whole square. Minus 4 into a value y. C value 4y. Greater than or equal to 0. So that implies 4y square by using a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 4y minus 4 ja 16. Y into y. Y square is greater than or equals to 0. Greater than or equals to 0. So that implies minus 12 y square, you come here, minus 12 whole square plus 4y plus 4y, next plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. So multiplying by minus throughout the equation, it becomes 12y square minus 4y minus 1 is less than or equals to 0. Now factorize the equation. Find the factors. So on multiplication we shall obtain minus 12. On addition minus 4. So minus 6 minus 2. Minus 6 plus 2. So this is 12y square minus 6y plus 2y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So that implies 6y common, 6 to the 12, y minus 1 plus 2y minus 1 is less than or equals to 0. That implies 2y minus 1 is common factor into 6y plus 1 is less than or equal to 0. So that implies 2 into y minus 1 by 2 into 6 common into y plus 1 by 6 means it can be written as okay, I will take another step, 1 by 6 less than or equal to 0. So dividing by 12 throughout the equation, it is y minus 1 by 2 into y plus 1 by 6 is less than or equals to 0. Less than or equal to 0. So here y minus 1, y minus 1 by 2, y minus 1 by 2 into it can be written as y minus 1 by 6 is less than or equal to 0. So already I said one formula, you come here, if a less than b and x minus a into x minus b is less than or equal to 0, then x belongs to closed interval of a comma b. This is the direct formula. So of course it is in terms of y is a dummy variable and y minus something, y minus. So out of 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 6, which one is least value? A. Means it is called as A, and a big number it is called as B. So that implies y belongs to closed interval of A means minus 1 by 6 comma 1 by 2. So therefore let it be statement number 2. Here according to first statement, y is greater than or equal to 0 and y is belongs to closed interval of minus 6 comma 1 by 2. So therefore take the real line and it will be the 0, positive value 1 by 2, let it be 1 by 2, and the negative value suppose minus 1 by 6. So first solution is y greater than or equals to 0. Y greater than or equal to 0 means this area, this area. Later closed interval of minus 1 by 2 to half. Closed interval of, that's why we are taking this closed interval and shade with different color, minus 1 by 6 to up to only 1 by 2. So we are considering also 1 by 2. So therefore there is the combined solution, means the common shaded part blue and black. So therefore clearly we see that y is belongs to closed interval of 0 comma 1 by 2. Y means what? P. So therefore capital P belongs to closed interval of 0 comma 1 by 2. So therefore range is closed interval of 0 comma 1 by 2. So you come here. Which option is right? First option is right. Hence the problem. And the range of f of x equal to, it is a rational function. Already in the previous question I said the procedure of finding the range of a rational function. It is also one important question. That's why I repeated this method or question type. Okay, for which let y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 4 divided by x square plus 3x plus 3. Here actually in right procedure before finding the range of the given function, we have to find the domain of x. But in the question, f of x means it is to be understood that for all x belongs to capital R, it is given. And we can observe that denominator should not be equals to 0. Remember, you can ask me, sir, if the denominator is equal to 0, then f of x should not be defined. Therefore, you can examine whether the denominator is 0 or not. Let us see here. The denominator is 1 into x square plus 3 into x plus 3. Here, compare with the quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c. Let us see delta. Delta means what? B square minus 4ac. B square is what? 9. 9 minus 4 AC. So that is equal 9 minus 12. Of course it is less than 0. Less than 0. Delta less than 0. So therefore definitely x should not be equal to, means denominator should not be equal to 0. We can say like that. Okay, or you can find x square, for example x square plus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Find x equal to minus b means minus 3 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac means here minus 3. So this is minus 3 divided by 2a. So clearly we are getting the complex roots but not equals to 0 real roots. Therefore we can write here total x belongs to capital R. I discussed only about the denominator only. So x belongs to R means in complete the rational function x is belongs to capital R. So therefore, as usually the procedure is taking the cross multiplication, then it will becomes y into x square plus 3xy plus 3y, that is equal to x square plus 3x plus 4. Actually, this discussion is not necessary. It is waste of time in the examination hall. Whenever it is given as f of x equal to something p of x divided by q of x means rational function, it is to be understood that x belongs to capital R, and as usually follow the procedure like that. So therefore, x square into y plus 3xy plus 3y minus x square minus 3x minus 4, that is equal to 0. So therefore take x square common, x square into y minus 1 plus x into 3y minus 3 plus 3y minus 4, that is equal to 0. So compare with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is x? X is belongs to capital R. X means what? Root of this equation. Here roots are real. So definitely delta is greater than or equal to 0. So that implies delta means what? B square minus 4ac. B square 3y minus 3 whole square. B square minus 4a c 3y minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. So a minus b whole square formula 9y square plus 9 minus 3 is a 9, 9 2 is a 18. 18y minus 4 into 3y square. It is 3y square multiplication minus 4y, next minus 3y plus 4 is greater than or equals to 0. So 9y square plus 9 minus 18y minus 12y square. Next it is minus 7. It is minus 7y, minus into minus plus 28y minus 16, 4 4 is 16, it is greater than or equal to 0. You come here. Look at the board. So how many y squares are there? Minus 3. So this is minus 3 y square. Okay. How many y's are there? Minus 18 plus 28 plus 10. So it is plus 10 y. Next, how many constants are there? Minus 16 plus 9 means minus 7. It is minus 7 is greater than or equal to 0. So on multiplying with the minus throughout the equation, it becomes 3y square minus 10y plus 7 is less than or equal to 0. Now factorization. 7 3 is 21. Okay, it can be easily 3y square minus 3y, next minus 7y plus 7 is less than or equal to 0. So that implies 3y into y minus 1, next minus 7 is the common factor. So it is same as y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Already you did know very well about the factorization. That's why I am taking faster. 3y minus 7 is less than or equal to 0. So that implies y minus 1 into, it can be 3 into y minus 7 by 3, it is less than or equal to 0. So y minus 1 into y minus 7 by 3 is less than or equals to 0. So first out of these two numbers means y minus something and y minus something. It is 1, it is 7 by 3 means it is greater than 1. So which one is the least number should be a. Next it will be b. So therefore it is in the form of a less than, when a less than b, x minus a into x minus b less than or equal to 0. So that implies x belongs to closed interval of a comma b. It is the standard formula. Next, so clearly we see that y is belongs to closed interval of 1 comma 7 by 3, 1 comma 7 by 3. Okay, here you come here. In first option 1 comma 2 closed interval, in second option closed interval of 1 comma infinity, closed interval of 2 comma 7 by 3, next open 1 7 by 3. It is similar to fourth option, but where is the difference? In fourth option 1 is under open interval, means what? Y value is not equal to 1. In fourth option he is saying like that. Okay, let us verify whether y is 1 or not. So let y equals to 1. Y equals to 1. Y is what? Y is what? X square plus 3x plus 4 divided by x square plus 3x plus 3, that is equals to 1. So on cross multiplication, x square plus 3x plus 4, that is equal to x square plus 3x plus 3. So x square cancel, 3x is also cancel. Next 4 is equal to 3. But it is a false statement. It is false statement. So due to this condition. So therefore definitely y should not be equal to 1 since this is the false, since this false statement. So therefore y must be, except 1 means it should be in open interval, 1 comma 7 by 3 in closed interval. Thus fourth option is right, hence the problem. The image of the interval under the mapping f of x equals to, means under the function, means what? Indirectly find the range, range are extreme values, means maximum and minimum value. This is the question. So for which we are following the calculus method. First let us write f of x equal to 2x cubed minus 24x plus 107. So first find first derivative f dash of x. Already we introduced in 11th standard. F dash of x means, for example, d by dx of x to the power of n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. This is the standard formula. F dash of x means d by dx of f of x, just like that. Means we are differentiating on both sides. So another formula is there, d by dx of something k into any function of x, that is equal to k into d by dx of f of x, just like that. And d by dx of any constant that is equal to 0 with respect to x. So therefore it is d by dx of, so I wish to write directly. So 2 into using this formula, d by dx of x cubed using this formula, 3 into x square minus 24 into d by dx of x 1 plus d by dx of constant equal to 0. So that implies f dash of x, that is equal to 6x square minus 24. This is f dash of x. This is the calculus procedure. Again I will repeat in the topic maxima and minima, don't worry. So first step, let f dash of x, that is equal to 0, f dash of x equal to 0. So that implies 6x square minus 24, that is equal to 0. Next 6x square equal to 24 divided by 6, 6 4 ja 24. So therefore x equal to plus or minus 2. So in such a case, actually this is a polynomial in terms of x, therefore it is always a continuous function. Continuous function. So therefore here we are having x equal to minus 2 comma plus 2. Next in the given interval, actually given interval is a closed interval of 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3, let us take 1 comma 3. Here we see that minus 2, but minus 2, what we get here, x equal to minus 2, it is not in the domain, means closed interval of 1 comma 3. Actually it is the domain of x, means x belongs to closed interval of 1 comma 3. So therefore we are considering only x equal to 2 comma 1 comma 3. So for which first find f of 2 value, next f of 1 value, next f of 3 value. So therefore f of 2, f of x equal to 2x cubed minus 24x plus 107. So f of 2 is equal to, it is 2 into x means 2 cubed minus 24 into 2 plus 107. So it is nothing but 75. Next f of 1 equals to 2 into 1 cubed minus 24 into 1 plus 107, that is equal to, you can calculate, it is 85. Next f of 3 is equal to 2 into 3 cubed minus 24 into 3 plus 107, that is equal to 89. So therefore out of which this is the minimum value and it will be the maximum value. So therefore range is equal to closed interval of minimum 75, maximum 89. It is the image of the interval. So it is image of the interval 1 comma 3. So which option is right? 75, 89. Second option is right. The range of the function f of x equal to e power x minus e power modulus of x divided by e power x plus e power modulus of x. First option, closed interval of minus 1 comma 0. Second option, left to open minus 1, right 0. Next open interval of minus 1 comma 0, closed minus 1, 0, open. Already you did know the meanings of closed interval and open interval and half intervals means this is the half interval, it is also called as half interval. Okay. Here f of x is equal to modulus of x is there. That's why we are considering two cases. For example, x is greater than or equals to 0 case. When x is greater than or equal to 0, then modulus of x is equal to plus x according to definition. So therefore, when x is greater than or equal to 0, f of x becomes e power x minus e power x divided by e power x plus e power x. So clearly we see that e power x minus e power x is 0. So its value is equal to 0. Therefore f of x is equal to 0 for x greater than or equal to 0. That is y greater than or equal to 0. Or equal to 0 means y is considering or taking is equal to 0. Where is that option? So it may be first option and it may be second option. In third option 0 is not included. Here also 0 is not included. So therefore third option and fourth option is wrong. Okay, next. So our correct answer will be in either first option or second option. So what is the difference between first option and second option? In first option, minus 1 is included in our set or in our range set or in our range. In second option, minus 1 is excluded because of the meaning of open interval and closed interval. Okay, now first I assume that first option is correct. For example, y that is equal to minus 1. So that implies y is what? E power y is equal to minus 1. Y equal to minus 1. So understand, y equal to minus 1. We are taking y is equal to minus 1. Okay, let it be. First case is over x less than or equal to 0. Next, f of x when x is less than 0. Less than 0 means modulus of x is equal to minus x. So f of x is equal to, in this case, e power x minus e power modulus of x. It is the case of x less than 0 minus x divided by e power x plus e power minus x. Okay, here we assume that y is equal to minus 1. So therefore y equal to minus 1 means e power x minus e power minus x divided by e power x plus e power minus x value minus 1. 1 minute, no confusion. First case x greater than or equals to 0, then f of x is equal to 0. That is f of x means y greater than or equal to 0. Second case x less than 0, then f of x becomes like that. Here in first option, second option, we are verifying the first option. This is the question, range of f of x means y value. So we are assuming y equal to minus 1. Y means what? This case. So that implies by cross multiplication e power x minus e power minus x, that is equal to minus 1 minus e power x minus e power minus x by cross multiplication. So anyhow e power minus x get cancelled. It remains 2 e power x is equal to 0. That implies e power x equal to 0. E power x equal to 0. For what value, I am asking a question. For what value of x this equation is satisfied? You can take any real number. What is your answer? What is your answer? No. Therefore, no such x that is belongs to capital R. For any real number, it should not be equals to 0. No solution. So we obtained no solution. Under what reason? Y equal to minus 1. So therefore, if y equal to minus 1, there is no x. Therefore, this option is wrong. Means what? That is y should not be equal to minus 1. Out of first two options, y not equal to minus 1. It is in which option? Second option. Therefore, second option is right.